triple coffee, please?
Sorry, a large triple?
Yes, please.
Any muffins, sir?
No, just a coffee, thank you.
$2, thanks.
Thank you. Well, I ordered a triple. This is borderline a double. It is definitely not a triple, but you know what? If that's the worst thing that happens to me today, I think I'll be just fine. Doing some geocaching today, I'm breaking my own personal rules. I'm taking the vehicle, taking the Jeep out. I don't like to do that. It's just for personal reasons. I don't really have a reason why. I just like to walk or bike to geocaches. I found pretty much every single cache within the vicinity of my house. I have to go way out to find them now. And that's what I'm gonna do today. I need 8 caches, people. I need 8 caches until I get to 500 finds. So the next milestone. This time, I'm gonna get 7 caches. I'm gonna get 7 caches today, and I'm gonna save the 500th video, or 500th find, I should say. I'm gonna save that for its own video. There are 2 caches in this area, and I'm not gonna lie, this area is pretty scummy. There's a lot of homeless activity, a lot of car prowlings, a lot of, you know, just general bad stuff goes on around here. There are 2 caches here, like I said. I'm gonna get them quickly and get out of here. Or so goes my plan. All right, let's get going. You can see the Jeep is parked over there. I'm still going to have to walk about 200 meters to the next cache, or the first cache, I should say, rather. Hopefully everybody out there enjoys these geocaching videos. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. It's very, very important, everybody, very important. Share the video, give the video a like, a thumbs up, or whatever you want to call it. And don't forget to leave a comment. Well, the GPS is bouncing me around quite a bit, and I was worried I was gonna get another did not find, but did you see it there? Did you see it? Did you see it? Here's the cache right here. It's right here, hidden right under here. Let's get this out and take a look. See what we got in this cache. Okay, what do we got? We got a logbook. This is a Matchbox police car, not a Hot Wheels. Some kind of weird dead fish keychain. A Minion, 2 pencils, a guitar eraser and a football eraser, and a tiny little carabiner. I'm gonna sign the log and get out of here. Another one found, another smiley on the map. Super nice day out today, definitely not complaining. I complain a lot. Another area where the GPS is throwing me all over the place. This whole area here, a little history lesson, this whole area used to be a refinery. So maybe there's some, I don't know, heavy metals in the ground or something that's making the GPS skip. I don't know. Anyway, I found the cache right here. Let me show you right here. Here it is, right there. Let's see what we got inside of this thing here. Let me open this up if I can. Doing this one-handed, it's a little tricky. Okay, we have some kind of a logbook. What is this? Like a... Oh, it's like a SpongeBob camera. Oh, look at this, everyone. Another Sears identification lanyard. Seen lots of these in caches lately, and a whole bunch of these racism stop it stickers. All right, I'm gonna sign the log and get out of here. That's 2 caches down. Look at SpongeBob. 2 caches down, going for 5 more. All right, back in the vehicle here. Let me set this down. Whoa. Next cache is 2.3 kilometers in that direction. Of course, as the crow flies, I got to do some fancy driving, but I can't film any of it because of distracted driving laws. Check back in a bit. Well, this is pretty cool. I'm tracking the next geocache here, and it's brought me to this park, and this is definitely a park I have never been to in my life. The cache is somewhere around this building here. Let me show you this. It could be pretty well anywhere here. Look at that Jeep in the background there. Unbelievable. I have discovered the cache. Can you see it right up in this vent right there? Check this out. We'll take that out of there. If I can. It's on there pretty hard. Holy crow. That's the cache right there. I'm sure there's just a logbook inside. I'm going to sign that and go after cache number 4. Okay, the next cache is in kind of an industrial area. There's actually 2 caches, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get the second one. I know I can get one, but once again, I got to do some fancy driving. Let's have a sip of this coffee. All right, let's let nothing but fear hold us back. The cache is 130 meters directly ahead. There's nowhere to park. I've illegally parked on the side of the road here. Hopefully I don't get in trouble. Look at this guy. Look at this guy right here. He thinks I'm insane. This must be where they take all the new cars off of the trains and put them in this giant parking lot here. There's also this bus driving around here. I don't know if that's security or what. I'm illegally parked just over here. I need to find this cache and get out of here. This cache here was actually pretty easy to find. It's right there. Let's get this out of here and let's see what we've got. Open that up. Ooh, there's lots of stuff in here. Okay, we got a logbook. Let me just dump this out here. Western Final, Calgary Stampeders. I love Canadian geocaching. Is that a Bitcoin? I wish it was. This is actually pretty cool. An old Score hockey card. Joe Murphy. Looks like this is from the 89-90 season. Canadian dime. Crayons. I think this was a stamp at some point. It's got Spider-Man on it. It's pretty cool. This is something you'd get from like a Cowboys and Indians set or something like that. You know, some plastic terrain. Couple extremely dirty erasers. This here says Plant of Life. I have no idea what this even is. The All-Seeing Eye. And something from ATB Financial. Some sort of keychain thing. I don't know what this is. Oh, it opens up apparently. Okay, whatever. I'm going to sign the log and get out of here. Hopefully I haven't been towed. Like I said previously, there is a second cache in the area, but it's on the other side of a bunch of buildings, and I'm just not going to be able to get to it. I don't trust having the Jeep parked here. Pretty sure this is illegal. Have another sip of coffee. I'm just going to continue driving a little ways, and there's a little cluster of caches not too far off, especially when you're driving. The caches aren't too far away. I need 3 more, and that's what we're going to do. Like I said before, let's let nothing but fear hold us back. And you know what I mean by that? When I say let nothing but fear hold us back, it's already implied that we're fearless, so nothing holds us back. Just thought you guys might want to know that. Check out the engine startup once again. All right, let's go. Okay, I'm lost. Well, I'm not lost, I just don't know where the geocaches are. Stopped on the side of the road to check the GPS, and looks like I need to keep going. Actually, I'm not that far away. I'm only 300 meters. All right, here we go. Okay, well apparently I need a valid permit to park here. You see, that's why I don't like taking my vehicle with me. Hopefully I'll be okay. The cache is over here about 40 meters. I'm gonna get this one quickly and get out of here. Okay, this is actually pretty cool. I've seen this kind of cache one time before. This is the cache right here. Let me show you. You gotta unscrew this. Comes all the way out. There's a lot of, what would you say, screwing involved. You unscrew this all the way back, and inside is this right here. Check that out. That is the cache. Inside here is a tiny little logbook. I'm gonna sign that and get out of here before I get towed. Okay, the next cache is about 400 meters, pretty much directly that way, so I'm just gonna drive, see if I can find some place to park, and get this cache in hand. Okay, well I was able to park 33 meters away from the cache, probably illegally again. I don't see any signs this time. Cache is up here, let's go get it. All right, everybody, this geocache is right here. You can see it right here. It's in a very, sorry, I'm doing this one-handed here. Check out this container, geocaching. There we go, let's see what's inside. Okay, open it up, let's dump it out here. Let's see what we have. Oh my goodness, what is this? Kind of like I don't even know, some Christmas decoration of some sort. And looks like, oh, what's this? It's a pin of some kind. Some sort of Canadian Senate pin and the remnants of a log. I'm gonna sign this and get out of here. One more cache. The next cache is 417 meters in that direction. Actually, you know what? It looks like I just slip out this parking lot here right onto the street and just keep going. All right, here we go. The last one of the day. I parked way far away from the cache because, well, that's just how I roll. The cache is still 200 meters up here. I will have it in hand very quickly. It's the only way it can be. Alright, I actually found this geocache pretty quickly. Come down here on this bench. Let's see if I can get it here. Let's see here. Okay, come on up here. Come on, there it is, right there on the underside of the bench. It's just a logbook. I'm gonna sign the log and get out of here. Check this out, everybody. This is actually pretty cool. I earned another souvenir today. I earned Blue Switch Day 2021. Blue Switch Day, May 2nd, 2000 is the day accurate GPS technology became available to everyone. It launched innovation and new technology that changed the world forever. It's not a coincidence the first geocache was hidden the next day and the game of geocaching was born. So there you go. Blue Switch Day souvenir. I found 7 caches today. No did not finds. The next cache I find will be 500 finds. That's a pretty significant milestone. It deserves its own video. Until that video comes out, I want all you out there to hold your head up high. Never look down the ground. I will catch all of you on that particular video, or it might be on something else. Who knows? Who knows what's gonna happen? Well, I certainly don't. But we all know whatever video comes out next, it will be both epic and it will be completely, totally awesome. We all know this. This is undeniable. It's proven proven by science. Cut the camera. I'm done. See ya!